They're in the gate. And they're off. No net hits the ground running for Jamie Theriault. No net, just a brilliant break and Make It Easy showing good speed too. And those two out to lead. Here's Santana Woman punching throughout the fence. Flying Information right there in the thick of it too, along with Betty Lou, the leading 5, heading to the half-mile pole. Runicki tight at the rail. The outside is the Right Choice heading past the half-mile pole, and farther out is Miss Silver Pistol. Everybody Lies is second to last, and Galaloud has dropped back to 10th. The first quarter, 23 seconds flat as they move into the far turn. No net leads Make It Easy by 3/4 of a length past the 3 furlong pole. And Betty Lou looms a bold threat down the outside, 3 wide coming toward the top of the stretch. At the inside is Santana Woman, and Flying Information is 3 lengths in back off of No Net as they come past the quarter pole. Top of the lane, half mile in 47 1. It's No Net. No Net holding on to this lead. Make It Easy in between horses. Betty Lou is charging on the outside down toward the final furlong. Flying Information is well back. It's Make It Easy up to the front. Make It Easy just leads No Net toward the rail. Betty Lou is third, coming up toward the wire. Make It Easy and Richard Aramia. Make It Easy at 10 to 1, and Betty Lou. Make It Easy and Betty Lou. Photo finish. Post for third, 2. Flying Information, No Net, and Galaloud with late interest.